Hey, crochet enthusiasts! Today we're creating a beautiful violet dried flower bouquet that'll bloom forever. For step-by-step photo tutorial and downloadable PDF pattern, visit Loopara Crochet. Petals, round 1. Chain 10. Slip stitch in second chain from hook. Single crochet. 2 half double crochets. Two double crochets. Two treble crochets. Work, treble crochet. Double crochet. For half double crochets. Double crochet. Treble crochet. Two treble crochets. Two double crochets. Two half double crochets. Single crochet. Slip stitch twice. Round 2. Add wire. Chain. Work 24 single crochets. Slip stitch to join. Fasten off. Flower center. Round 1. Create a magic ring. Chain. Work 4 single crochets in ring. Slip stitch to join. Round 2. Chain. Work single crochet. Single crochet increase. Two times. Slip stitch to join. Round 3. Chain. Work 6 single crochets. Slip stitch to join. Round 4. Chain. Work single crochet. Single crochet increase. 3 times. Slip stitch to join. Round 5 to 6. Chain. Work 9 single crochets. Slip stitch to join. Round 7. Chain. Work single crochet. Single crochet decrease. 3 times. Slip stitch to join. Take wire stem number 2 and insert the flower stamen, secure with glue. Arrange petals around the stamen in a circle, trim excess wire and thread ends to keep the stem looking neat. Begin wrapping thread around the base of the petals. Apply glue to secure everything in place.